Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Rosy Gold Vibrating Egg. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold Vibrating Egg itself. As you can see, it has a very luxurious appearance and is in a beautiful rosy gold colour. It has a drawstring here, meaning insertion and removal is easy. And it's made of a soft material as well, so it'll feel really comfortable during use. It comes with 10 vibration settings, and this vibrating egg can be remotely controlled as well, with the included remote control. The egg itself is also waterproof, so you can use this in the bath or shower. It's very simple and easy to turn on. Using the remote, click on the middle button and it's on. You can use the plus button at the top to increase the vibrations, or use the minus below to decrease the vibrations. And you can use the left or the right buttons to change the vibration settings. So you can have lots of fun experimenting and finding your desired settings. To turn off, simply click on the middle button again and it's off. Now, batteries are required for this vibrating egg, and they require 2 AAA batteries. Batteries are not included. The remote control battery is included. Now, when using this egg, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the egg after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Rosy Gold Vibrating Egg. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.